Hey everyone. So recently, Alibaba just released a new model named Qwen 3.8 Max, and it is about 2.4 trillion parameters. Not only that, but it's a multimodal and claim secondly only to Claude Fable 5. Now we need to confirm what it's not or what it is. So there are some points to be discussed, like it's about 4.2.4 trillion parameter mixture of expert models, and not only that, but it's a multimodal, means you can just not only text but also you can add visuals like images, document, speech, image generations, and so on. Not only that, but the performance claim that second only to Claude Fable 5, which is quite high, and because Claude Fable 5 it's a flagship model and quite higher than any other models. Still it says to second only to Claude Fable 5. So we will test it in today's video as well. Second, third scheme, open source. So it says it will be open source soon, but for now it will be not open source right now, and you can also access it today, okay, freely. Okay, so let me tell you how you can do that. So what you have to do is simply just go to qwen.chat.qwen.ai, and here just select to 3.8 max preview, and here I will type create a spaceship fighting game. Then just go to think and click enter. Now what it will do, it is start creating, and just wait a little bit. So finally the design is ready, and let's copy this one or download this one, and let's open this one, and here we got the game. Now what we will do is click on it and look at this design. Yeah, it's quite good. What do you say? Let me know in the comment section. So this is my first video and I hope you like it. As you can see, there are some difficulty as well, so I can move as well, and that's a quite good. If you want to play this game, okay, just let me know and I will upload this game on the server. Okay, so you can play this as well. So that's all about today's video.